In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NordVPN. NordVPN is a powerful tool that helps keep your internet connection private and secure. It's remarkably user-friendly, and by the end of this session, you'll have all the knowledge you need to use it effectively. First, let's get started by opening the NordVPN app. If you haven't already downloaded and installed it, you'll find it available on the NordVPN website for Windows users. Once the installation is complete, navigate to your desktop or applications folder and launch the app. When you open the app, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that's both intuitive and efficient. Now, accessing secure connections globally is just a few clicks away. Now, let's move on to the next part. Connecting to a server. On the NordVPN app's main interface, you'll see a world map with several server locations marked. Use the map or the server list to choose your desired location. Connecting to a server in another country is great not only for privacy, but it can also help you access content that might be restricted in your region. Once you've selected your preferred server, simply click to connect. You'll notice a quick connection process. Within just moments, your connection will be encrypted and more secure. Next, we'll focus on protecting your device from malicious sites and ads by clicking on Threat Protection. In the Settings menu, you can navigate to find threat protection features. This is an additional layer of security that shields you from cyber threats while you surf the web. By enabling threat protection, you can browse with peace of mind, knowing that NordVPN is safeguarding you from malware, intrusive ads, and tracking scripts. Lastly, let's explore enabling extra security features, which you can find in the same Settings menu. NordVPN offers several extra options to enhance your online security. Features like Double VPN and Onion over VPN provide more advanced levels of encryption by routing your connection through multiple servers before reaching your destination. Moreover, options like AutoConnect and the kill switch ensure that your connection remains secure, even in case of unexpected disconnections. And there you have it. Using NordVPN to secure your internet connection is as simple as that. Remember, whether you're looking to protect your privacy, secure data on public Wi-Fi, or access content from around the world, NordVPN has you covered. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and feel free to explore and experiment with the features to see what works best for you. Enjoy secure and private browsing.